Good morning, student. Today in class 3 science we are going to read more about the chapter. In the chapter 3, chapter name is Animals, Birds. Okay, we have studied up to the type of wings and type of claws. Now we are going to study about the type of feathers. Okay, so what do you mean by feathers? What are feathers? Feathers are the bird's body and wings are covered with many feathers. जो पंख होते हैं ना birds के, they are called feathers. Mostly वो different colors के होते हैं. In parrot, what is the color of in parrot? It is green in color. While in pigeon, mostly it is white in color. In crow, it is black in color. So these are the feathers which give the color of the birds also. And not only that, it also keep their body warm. Okay, so there are three types of feathers in a bird. If you see, there are different type of feathers are found. For some feathers are used for flying high, they are big in size. Some feathers are small in size, they just cover the whole body. And some feathers are in the down feathers, they just fluffy and they keep the bird's body warm. Okay, so what is flight feathers? Flight feathers are the large in size and found mostly in wings and tail. They help the birds to fly high and change the direction. Okay, so these are the big type of feathers. आप कभी कभी देखते होंगे ना कि जो पंख जिनसे वो उड़ते विंग्स होते हैं ना, विंग्स में इन द विंग्स दे आर हैविंग बिग साइज फीदर्स और वो हेल्प करते हैं उनको उड़ने में, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज बॉडी feathers? These feathers cover the complete body of the birds. Just like हमारे बॉडी में पूरे बॉडी में हमारे यहाँ हेयर रहता है ना, बाल रहता है ना, तो सेम वे पूरे बॉडी में बर्ड्स के पूरे बॉडी में दे आर हैविंग स्मॉल बॉडी feathers that is covered. It's give a curved shape also. ठीक है. And what is the help of that? It help to make the birds give a shape of curved like shape. Okay. Now another is down feathers. What is down feathers? They are found in the down of the birds. Okay, just example, let me just make a bird and let me just show you a picture of bird. So here it's a picture of sparrow, for example. So in wings they are having a flight feathers. In body they are having a body feathers. And in the down it is having a down feathers. Why it is down? They are small in size, very fluffy, and along with that they keep the body of the birds warm. These are close to skin, so these are very fluffy soft feathers होते हैं body के नीचे side में. Okay, now children, this is your homework. You have to complete this fill in the blank and take a picture, upload it in your dashboard. I want to see the homework day after tomorrow. Not tomorrow, if you are seeing the video now, you will complete your homework and update in the dashboard. Okay. Now we are going to study about the food habits in birds. So different birds are having different food habits, just like human being, just like animals. Some are carnivorous, some are herbivorous, some are omnivorous, some eat vegetables, green vegetables, grass, they are called herbivorous. Some eat flesh, they are called carnivorous. So these are type of the eating habit of human beings. The same way birds are also having different eating habit. Avivorous. What is called avivorous? Avivorous birds eat only birds. These are popular diet for many of the small raptors. Several large raptors also prey on doves, pigeons, ducks or other water birds. So avivorous birds, avi means flight, जो उड़ता हो, एरियल हो. तो ये एबिवोरस का मतलब दीज आर जो बर्ड्स एबिवोरस होते हैं, हेबिवोरस होते हैं, they eat small birds. Okay, they eat small birds like dove. Dove किसको बोलते हैं? वो भी एक कबूतर की तरह होता है. Pigeon, ducks or other birds. Okay. Some are carnivorous. Carnivorous are like vulture, eat meat including mammals, fish, amphibians. So carnivorous are those which eat meat. Okay. Some are frugivorous. What do you mean of frugivorous? Frugivorous birds are fruit eating specialist. They eat what? They eat mostly fruits. Ories, waxwings and the toucans are the all frugivorous. So you will remember the example of frugivorous. Another is carnivorous. What is carnivorous? Carnivorous eat primary grains. So they mostly eat grains, seeds, and many birds are carnivorous, including many sparrows. So many birds, like they eat what they eat. They eat seeds, they eat grains. So mostly manna, sparrows, they eat like this. So they are carnivorous. Insectivorous. Insectivorous are those which eat. These birds mostly feeds on insect like mosquito, dragonflies, like for example like this. Example of insectivorous are flycatchers, warblers are the insectivorous. Okay. Another is nectivorous. What do you mean by nectivorous? Nectivorous feeds on flowers nectar, and most well known nectivorous are more than 300 species of hummingbird in the world. So nectivorous what they eat? They eat the nectar. Nectar means juice. फ्लावर के अंदर एक जूस होता है बहुत मीठा सा, जिसको हनी बीज भी लेती हैं, राइट? तो सेम वे नेक्टिवोरस कौन और लेता है? सम बर्ड्स हैं जो भी नेक्टिवोरस और नेक्टर ऑफ द फ्लावर से लेते हैं. दे ईट ऑन दोज. सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नेक्टिवोरस आर हमिंग बर्ड्स. ओके. Another is omnivorous. Omnivorous birds eat anything and everything. Duck are omnivorous. They eat anything. They can eat carnivorous. They can eat fruits also. They can eat grains also. Insect also. These are the example of omnivorous. So just see. If you see, there are different pictures. Eagle is there. Eagle can eat. See, there is sparrow, cranes. Cranes can eat fish. Okay. Now vulture can eat meat. Pigeon, they can eat seeds. They can eat. These are waxwings. Okay, waxwings, they can eat what? Fruits. Hummingbird, this is hummingbird. Hummingbird, a bird can eat butterfly, right? Crow can eat. Omnivorous, they can eat any either they can eat insect also, they can eat vegetables, fruits also. Okay, so different type of eating habits are there. Some are herbivorous. The example of herbivorous, they are the large raptors, also prey on. They are the big birds like eagle. Carnivorous like vulture. Frugivorous like waxwings. Carnivorous like sparrows. Insectivorous like flycatchers. Nectivorous like hummingbird. Okay. Omnivorous like duck. So in this way we have completed the food habits in birds. Okay children, this is the fill in the blank which I have given you for your homework. Complete this one. Take a picture, and after taking a picture you will upload in the dashboard so that ma'am will go and check the homework. Up till here, if you face any problem, up till here the chapter type of clause we have studied, type of before that type of beak we have studied, and now we are studying about the type of food habits also and feathers also. If you face any problem, write the questions and put in a dashboard so that ma'am can answer your queries. Okay children, take care, complete this homework. Along with that, I am giving you another short notes in the end of the video. After completing this chapter, I am going to give you small notes. Complete your homework. Thank you children. Have a nice day.